Welcome to this original Lincoln Logs constructed home, set on 10 beautiful Vermont acres with seasonal views and authentic log cabin charm. Built in the mid-1980s, this property reflects quality craftsmanship and the enduring appeal of true log construction, offering warmth, character, and a peaceful country setting along a picturesque rural road. Cathedral-ceiling living room creates a cozy yet open retreat, highlighted by a Harman pellet stove and unique stained glass detail. Natural wood tones and expansive ceiling lines give the space an airy, welcoming feel. Above, a versatile loft offers flexible use as a home office, den, guest area, or creative studio. Comfort is supported by multiple heating options, including a centrally located heat pump for year-round efficiency, oil-fired baseboard hot water, 2 pellet stoves, and an outdoor wood boiler for those who value heating independence. The full spray-foam-insulated basement provides excellent storage and potential for future expansion, while the heated garage beneath the home adds everyday convenience. While the property will benefit from cosmetic updates, such as painting, flooring, and exterior care, it presents a valuable opportunity to personalize and build equity. Being sold as is, it is priced to reflect the work needed, ideal for cash buyers or those utilizing a rehab loan. Located just 5 miles from groceries, local eateries, the library, and Route 4, this home offers peaceful rural living with easy access to commuting routes and Vermont's abundant outdoor recreation. A rare chance to own a true log home with acreage and potential.